Chiki Art! Want to send your loved ones a lovely message? Then why not try drawing and colouring in these gorgeous heart emojis? They are so cute. We're starting with a cupcake covered in buttercream icing with a heart on top and some sprinkles. Lovely. Then we're going to do a smiley face all loved up with heart eyes. Brilliant. And lastly, we're going to do a love heart with wings because we are flying. We are so in love. Let's give it a halo because it's an angel. And perhaps some hearts in the sky. Yay! Darkening up the border, as always, to make the colours stand out. Lovely. We're going to do all our hearts red. That's right. We're going to stick to nice red hearts. Some yellow buttercream icing. And an orange cupcake holder. Back to the red. Who could you give this to? Perhaps your mum or your dad, even your best friend. What colour should we do the wings on this one? What will look good against the red? I know, blue! Wow, that looks really cool. I love it. A yellow halo? Yes. And a yellow smiley face. Woohoo! With red hearts, of course. You see how super easy that was? Hi! Let's draw and paint an emoji! Start with a big circle, and then we do some eyebrows and some eyes. Our eyes are closed because we're laughing. We've got a nice big mouth and some teeth, and let's do some tears because we're laughing so much that we're crying. Right, ready to paint? Let's go for yellow. Yellow is such a happy, bright, fun colour. Side to side. Staying carefully in between the black lines, going around your facial features. So, what's your favourite emoji? I love the laughing one. Really? Me too. I love the hugging one too, don't you? How about the smile? Ooh, and the one where they're putting on the lipstick. Almost done. And there. Going for brown for the eyebrows and the eyes. Yes, and pink for the mouth. Wow, that really stands out against the yellow. Fantastic. And blue tears, I think. That's right. Wow, this laughing emoji is looking so cool. Let's keep the teeth white. Yes, and we're done. Fantastic. Hey kids, let's draw and paint a cool emoji. Yeah, starting with the sunglasses outline. And then let's do the frames. That's it, nice and thin. Right, let's do the circle for our emoji face. And a nice thin smile. Excellent, ready to paint. We're going for yellow. But you don't have to do yellow, you know. There's no rule. It's your emoji and you can paint it any colour you like. And you don't even have to use paint. You can use a crayon or a colouring pencil or a pen. Now, since we're painting, we're using a very thin-tipped paintbrush because we have to carefully paint in between all the black lines. Carefully going around the sunglass rims. And the mouth, of course. That's it, taking care. Almost done. There. Right, let's go for a black sunglass frame. Ta-da! Brown lenses. Super cool. Yes, and a pink smile. And we're done. Very cool dude indeed. Hello kids! Yep, you're right. We're going to draw and paint a poop and some toilet roll. Starting with the top part of the poop, we're doing 3 layers. And a smiley face. It's very happy about how stinky it is. And the toilet roll. Little bit open there. and another smiley face. Darkening up the borders. These two are the best of friends. Yay! Ready to paint. Brown, of course, for the poop. All 3 layers are the same, but if you wanted to be really clever and make it a really stinky poop, then you could do different shades of the same colour, perhaps darker to lighter, or the other way around. Ta-da! Okay, pink mouth. Now for the toilet roll. Let's go for brown in the middle. And white, of course. You could even just leave it. You don't need to paint it. But if you want it to be sparkly, then use white sparkly paint like we are. Ah, lovely. Around the mouth. Brilliant. Final part. You could use a slightly wider tip paintbrush for this to fill it quicker. Side to side, almost there. And we're done! Pink for the mouth. That was so much fun. Better hold your nose. Poo-wee! Hey kids, how are you today? Ooh, fancy some cotton candy? Me too! Starting with the cotton candy squiggly lines. They kinda look like clouds layered one on top of the other. We're doing 4 layers and the cone, which is like an upside down triangle with stripes on it. And 2 circles for the eyes and a smile. Going for another one. This one's a bit more curvy. And we're just going to darken up the borders. Make the colour stand out then when we paint it. Wonderful! Let's go! Starting with a light blue for the top cotton candy. And pink next. I have to say I love these 2 colours side by side. Blue and pink. What do you think? Yellow next. An excellent choice going around the eyes. Wow, look at it sparkle. A gold for the bottom layer. Interesting. Around the smile. Pink mouth. And stripy cone. Every other stripe can be purple and the rest can be yellow. Let's go for pink cotton candy. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Let's do it all one colour this time. You could even do patterns on yours if you wanted. A red mouth. And some yellow stripes, alternating with purple just like the other one, but the other way around. And there you have it, 2 cute cotton candies. Ah. Hey, would you like to draw and paint a burger meal with me? Woohoo! Starting with the fries. The packet first. And the fries themselves. Let's do 2 layers. Excellent, showing some dimension. And a smiley face. Yay! Now for the burger. Top part of the bun, some cheese, the burger, some lettuce. And maybe a tomato. And the bottom part of the bun. Smiley face, of course. Now for our drink. Our cup with a lid and a straw. And some stripes to match our fries packet. Woohoo! Ready to paint? Let's go for gold. Yay! And yellow for the first layer. That's it, a little bit of variation there. Let's go for some brown for the inside of our fries packet. And red for the top and the bottom. Ooh, lovely. Going for some yellow for the middle. Matches the fries, you know. Carefully painting around the eyes and the mouth. Almost there. Done. Pink for the mouth and the tongue. Yay! Go for the burger bun. Let's go for a nice pale gold kind of bread colour. Painting the top and the bottom the same colour because that is the bun. Yellow for the cheese. and brown burger. Of course, it could be a veggie burger if you like, even chicken. We're going for a green for our lettuce. And some red for our tomato, or at least ketchup. You can put anything you like in your burger. What do you fancy? Yay! Let's go for a brown straw to match our burger, and a gold lid, and some pink. Yay! Now let's do the face the same colour as the top part. And some yellow for the upper and lower part. And pink for the mouth. Woohoo! Amazing! There you have it. A gorgeous sparkly burger meal. Ooh, my tummy is rumbling already. Hey kids, how are you today? Ooh, do you like teddies? Me too. Let's draw. A little tuft of hair in the face. Let's not forget our teddy bear ears and eyes, nose and mouth. Now we're going to draw our teddy bear sitting down. So we're starting with the front legs and paws, and then we're going to do one on either side, showing the bottom of each paw. Great job. Brilliant. Right, let's darken the border. We love to do this because it makes the colours stand out once you paint it. Right, we are going for pink first of all to do the inner ears. Ah, so cute. And the pads on the paws, because it's a baby bear. Yellow net for the snout, carefully painting around the tongue and the nose. Brilliant. And the tummy. Now we're going for black. We're going to do a black nose and a red tongue. Can you stick out your tongue? Right, we're going to do brown for the rest of the bear because it is a baby brown bear. Yes, so using that horizontal stroke, we're going to go from side to side. Carefully around the other features. Great! Now we go for the body. Have you ever seen a real bear? Do you have a teddy bear in your room? Maybe a nice cuddly one? Perhaps it's not brown, perhaps it's some other colour. I have a rainbow teddy. I love it. It's got all the colours of the rainbow. Now what do you name your teddy? Can you think of any good names for this teddy bear? How about Rosie? And there you have it. It is done. Good job, kids. You've drawn a teddy bear. Hey kids, fancy an ice cream? Ooh, the weather is hot out there. Let's try and draw and paint a unicorn ice cream. Start with the horn and the stripes. Next we do the ice cream on top. A smiley face with rosy cheeks, and the cone, a stripy cone. Ooh, crisscross, lovely. Time to paint, starting with purple on the top of our horn, then green, and then let's go for blue. What do you think should go next? Yellow, what a great idea. What flavour ice cream shall we have? Ooh, I think it's going to be raspberry flavour. Ooh, or it could be strawberry flavour. What do you think? I think I like summer fruit flavour. That way I can have raspberry and strawberry together in one. There! Time to do the rosy cheeks. And the cone! We're going for a lovely light golden colour. I love these cones. It looks like a waffle cone. What's your favourite type? Or do you prefer the ice cream in a bowl? How about some hundreds and thousands on top and chocolate sauce? Ooh, delicious. There! Perfect! You can even put it on a background if you want to be even more exciting. Well done, kids. You've done a great job. Bye-bye! Hi kids, look at this gorgeous rainbow heart. Do you fancy having a go at drawing and painting it? Oh, you do? We'll start with the baby one in the middle and then we just do bigger ones around the outside, getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And one more. Ready to darken the border. We like a nice, bold, thick black colour because it really makes the colour stand out. Ready to paint? Start with red for the outside. You can use any colours you like, of course. Even different shades of the same colour would look fantastic. Perhaps you could start with the darkest on the outside and get lighter as you go into the middle. We're going to go for a lovely gold-orange colour next. There, just following the shape around, staying in between the black lines. Let's go for yellow now. You see how we're getting lighter? Maybe we should change the pattern now. What do you think? Yeah, let's go for green. Green and yellow, those lovely citrusy colours. Followed by blue. And last but not least, purple for our baby heart in the middle. There, it's perfect, don't you think? I just love it. What a gorgeous, vibrant, sparkly rainbow heart.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!